So, we're about to do this room and we have this light sage color. Because this is not a prime and paint, it's not going on very good the first coat. So it's going to take 2 or 3 coats. So in the end, I'm going to be honest, sale and points and all that, it's probably better to get the more expensive prime and paint combination because you won't have as many coats. It probably ends up being about the same and will probably come up better and take less of your time. So keep that in mind when you're looking for paints. I generally like prime and paints together better. But I went where the deal was. And I really liked the color. We'll see how it works out once we see the whole room done, if the green works.
So I built this table to cover up our water meter and pressure reducer valve and all that stuff. But it's a little oversized. There's room for this whole thing in the new room. So I'm going to try to use this old table to make something smaller, a little sleeker. So you got the water meter and stuff in there. That was just to hide the plumbing in kind of a creative way to still have some, some usability of this space. So I built the furniture over it, but again, it's a little too big, so we're gonna trim it down a bit, I think. So we started putting up the ceiling, and when we began, we realized that when I ripped down these boards, I don't know if you can see on camera here, they're not exactly straight, so we have some gaps in between. So what we decided to do going forward was do a little overlap. And this part here is overlapped and you don't see the gaps, so that's how we're going to proceed going forward. Just a slight overlap, like about 1/8 of an inch, and it seems to be working out well. Barely on the edge. Like a little. So, I'm trying to line up mine. Yeah, so yours more further line up. It's, I'll give that your end, you go a little this way. I can go out a little, yeah. But I just want to leave this gap here. That's as far as I go, I'll leave the gap here.
Like the edge is like, just won't line up for it's got like flat.
This should look decent though, maybe you think, for ceiling?
It looks fine, especially if we overlap on the other side of the panel.
Alright.
Sure, we'll be noticeable.
There.
Does it look straight to you?
Yeah, looks good. Let me mark this here.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I'm just gonna mark it with a circle.
Oh, okay.
I bet 15 and a half, 16. Was it 89?
Oh, I'll give you a thing with it.
Is that 80? Is it good now? No. Try it different now. 81 and 5/6.
Let's go 6.
7, 8. 81 and 70.
As long as you mark it the right way, then we're good. Listen, you want the mark maybe an inch away from the edge at least? Even the center of the board would probably be good. Center of the board's probably best. Hey everybody!
Hi everyone! So this week we are showing you what we've been up to inside. We showed you what we were doing for weeks outside, so
Yep.
this week it's all about the inside. We just want to give you an update. We're just basically showing you a little bit of the entertainment room, and we just want to give you little snippets, little teasers, so you kind of know what's going on in the room, but we don't want to show you, we've progressed further than what the video will show you, but we don't want to show you to the last reveal because we're working on it a little at a time for financial reasons, for timing. We're going to show you at the end the big reveal, but right now we just wanted to give you a little bit of a teaser of what's going on. So we show you the room color, which is a light sage. We really liked
Love
it.
it. Yeah.
Needed a lot of coats because it's a cheaper paint. Don't always go sometimes for the bargain. Sometimes it's worth paying a little bit more for paint because you'll get a better quality and less coats.
And I went with a flat paint to hide some of the imperfections in the wall.
Yes, keep in mind it is a basement room, so there's a lot of imperfections,
Yeah.
but it's looking great, I think.
Yeah.
And Jake seems to like it. We've shown him up to this point and he can no longer see at this point. We needed his input a lot on the room, so he can't see any more from here because we want the rest to be a surprise.
Yeah.
We also showed you this week what we've done with the ceiling.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we went with a similar technique that we did in the laundry room. However, because of some of the gaps in the planks, we decided to start overlapping them to hide the gaps.
It's a really cool effect.
And also we think it'll be great for the acoustics, for
Mhm.
when he's recording music, that sort of thing, to have those the different angles like that. So,
It will be.
Yeah.
And just having that luan up on the ceiling is a good acoustic thing anyway.
Right.
People will do shiplap or something to do with wood on the
Yeah.
walls to give it that extra bounce back from the sound. So very excited.
Yeah.
So that's all we're going to show you because we really don't want to give you too much of until the reveal.
Yeah.
The reveal is a little over a week away, about a week and a half away. In a few days we have a special episode coming. It's late, but we still wanted to do it. It's our
Anniversary
yeah,
edition.
yeah,
Edition?
edition.
Yeah. Anniversary edition.
It's our 1-year anniversary episode.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you all kinds of great things. We're going to answer some questions that were already posted. If at any time you have any questions, basically before Friday, please post them because we'd love to see them and we will be answering them on our episode. So we hope you're enjoying what we've been showing you so far. There's way more to come. We're just kind of getting back into the swing of things now, and
We're having fun with it.
we are.
Yeah, so we hope you guys are enjoying it too.
Yes. So enjoy your next few days, and we'll see you on Friday for our very special episode.
See you Friday.